The following is problem 3 from our mixed practice simplifying and solving assignment for Algebra 1. So we are going to take a look at this and we are going to figure out whether we need to simplify or solve it. And something that is going to be the giveaway for this is that we see that there is an equal sign. So if there is an equal sign, that means we will be solving this problem. So as you'll see on the screen, we have Please Don't Call Me After Midnight, where we have our rules to prepare, distribute, combine like terms, move variables, add or subtract, then multiply or divide. So we're going to kind of go through that now as we navigate this problem. So the first thing I'm going to do is going to rewrite this. So we have 2, 4x minus 3 minus 8 is equal to 4 plus 2x. All right. So step 1 is to prepare. So I need to go through and I need to change any minuses to a plus negative. So this 4x minus 3 in the parenthesis is the first thing that can become a plus minus. And then right outside that parenthesis, we have a minus 8, which can also become a plus minus. All right. Next thing I'm going to do is look for any variables that don't have numbers next to them. And in this case, we have a 4x and a 2x. So there are numbers there, and we don't need to add any invisible ones. So that being said, we can move on to the next step, which is distribute. So we need to multiply the term that is outside the parentheses by what's inside the parentheses. So we have 2. And we're going to take that 2, which is right outside the parentheses, and we're going to multiply it in. All right, so we have 2 times 4x, which is going to be 8x. And then we have 2 times plus negative 3, which is going to be a plus negative 6. All right, and then we can drop those parentheses and we can bring down our plus minus 8 and just continue to rewrite our problem. Now there's something that I forgot to do, but it's never too late to do it, is I do want to draw a line down my equal sign so I know where I need to move numbers, and you'll see this better as we progress through this problem. All right, so we have 8x plus minus 6 plus minus 8 equals 4 plus 2x. So the next step tells me that I need to combine like terms, all right, on the same side only. So if I look on this side, I see, is there anything that looks like my 8x? Answer is no. But what about the plus negative 6 and the plus negative 8? Those are 2 terms that we, all right, can combine. So we have 8x, and then we have plus negative 6 plus negative 8. All right, which is going to give us a plus negative 14, all right, which is equal to 4 plus 2x. All right, and looking on the other side of the equation, I cannot combine any like terms over there. 4 plus 2x they aren't like terms. So next we can move variables, all right? So variables on both sides, move the smaller variable to the other side of the equal sign by either addition or subtraction. Now, I'm personally going to take the smaller of the 2 variables, which is a positive 2x, and I want to bring that over. It's going to leave me with a positive number. I'm more comfortable working with those, but to each your own though. All right, so 8x minus 2x is going to leave you with 6x, and that will cancel out on the other side, and you will be left with plus minus 14 equals 4. Okay, just bringing down the numbers we didn't do anything to. All right, next we need to add or subtract the constant away from the variable. So I need to take, all right, this plus minus 14 and bring it over to the other side. All right, so I am going to do the opposite of that, which is going to be add 14 to both sides. Okay, and then I will be left with 6x is equal to 18. All right, that cancels out. So we just added or subtracted the constants away from the variable. Next, we need to multiply or divide the coefficient in front of the variable. So I need to, this 6x is multiplication. I need to do the opposite, and the opposite of that, all right, is going to be divide. So I'm going to divide each side by 6, which will leave me with x is equal to 3. All right, and if I wanted to, I can go back in and plug that in to make sure that it all works out. It does work out, and your answer to this will be x is equal to 3.